Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Xbox error code 0x80073CF3 that you are having an issue with your game. It says reinstall the app. The apps cannot start reinstalling. Should fix this problem. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. You can also click on the start icon and select default. In here select settings. On left side select apps. On right side select installed apps. You just need to search for Xbox. And here we get select the three dot icon and select advanced option. In here scroll down guys, here will be option getting. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The apps that are want it be affected, click on repair. After getting repair done, go and check whether the problem has been resolved or not. If not, let's reset it guys. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The apps data will be deleted. Select the reset and this will permanently delete the apps data on this device guys. Select reset. After getting reset done guys, close out of here and hopefully this can able to resolve our problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.